the big one and the little one. Okay, big one has these two big ones. And then the little one has very similar shapes, but they're littler. Okay. The bottom pole, you know it's the bottom pole because this one has this top thingy and it won't come off. So that's the top one. This bottom one, you know, it's the bottom because of that right there. It has to go in first. There you go. And then you take your big ones that we talked about a second ago. You take this little nub. It goes on the hole that's right there. That's what you do. And then you take the big one right here, and this little doodad is gonna go onto that right there, over this. See that? See that? Okay. And so because that's there, you find your one L wrench that fits just right, you stick it in here, and you tighten it in. Because that's obvious, okay? That tightens. And what you've achieved in doing that is freaking amazing, because check this out. This guy is just solid as can be. Solid as a rock. Yeah! All right, that's solid. But how we gonna do this? We gonna do this with this, okay? So that metal, nope, I did it wrong. I'm gonna have to cut the tape here. All right, so that's gotta be in there. Okay, cut. All right, you gotta do this all at the same time. So how we gonna do that? I'm gonna put this big guy into here, try to get it to hold on there. Fit this over this. And make sure that doesn't fall off onto the desk. There you go. I'm holding that one in there, and it fell. But if I continue to, that seems good. So it seems like this is in the right place. It looks like that's in the roughly right place, so we're gonna see if that works. Tighten that down. Bonus points if you get that solid as a rock reference from a minute ago. Underrated show. I've watched that thousands of times, but I should watch it some more. Yes! 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 So this won't come out, and then this will come out, but you can tighten it. Hooray! So, what I learned on that one is you have to like do it all at the same time. So here we go. This one will be maybe trickier. So here's this, because it has that little nub, and it goes on that hole. There's a hole right here. There you go. Then this needs to, because this won't come off, I'm gonna see if this smaller one, it's the one with the metal, that's where the metal of the twisty knob connects. Let's see if I can get it in there. How is it supposed to, maybe from the top. This is hard. Okay. I don't know if that's, I think, what if I used a tool to get, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna set this one down. One thing at a time here. How do you, unscrew the thing so it's not in the way. Yeah. Let's try this again. All right. Oh, maybe that's why this would never come off. Or, you know why it would come off? Because of this. So let's unconnect it all. Okay, that's how you troubleshoot. That's how you troubleshoot. That's exactly what life's all about. Maybe, come on. Yes. So now I'm gonna do this the same way I did the first one. Boom, get that in there first. Wait a minute. It's all one motion, so this ain't coming off. So this does go here. This needs to be on here. But how's that gonna work? What if you can like get that in there together at the same time? Okay, I think it's working. So because of that, I'm gonna put this here on the hole. And then, okay, this appears promising. It looks like I have the little one here and the big one here. Tighten this bad boy. Come on. And then, ooh, oh man. Okay, I like this, but what's going on here? I think I should have let this pole go through a little bit more because of that base has that little felt that kind of is wider than the pole. So what you're gonna do is loosen that. Get this in there. Yeah, man. Loosen this more? I don't know. Yes! Okay. So that's cleared all of that. That looks like it's still in there. Tighten this baby. No. It's coming out the bottom. So if I can just successfully hold that there with that pinky finger. See that move? They don't teach you that move, but that's guitar hands. This is a F sharp augmented chord. Okay. Get you that? Yay! I got my goofy like stand back together. I hope you love that.